Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. $17,300 thereabouts was Nifty's closing, 0.61% up. 39,975, 1.47% gains was Nifty Bank. Looking at the SGX Nifty, 156 points gain. Clearly, suggestive of a positive mood in the market, and bulls probably ready to pump it up. Looking at the Nifty charts, so we see 17,500, 17,800, two major levels on the higher side. And of course, 17,000, 16,800 as the two major levels on the lower side. Looking at the Nifty OI picture, you are seeing some of the longs which came in yesterday. So looks like, but there is a mixed bag. You are seeing shorts also, you are seeing longs also. So let's see how that pans out during the day. Of course, the OI picture suggests substantial OI built up close to 17,300. So clearly, that's showing a call built up at 17,300 itself. So that's going to get crossed in this morning. So let's see how that pans out. The major level after that is 18,000 on the higher side. Of course, 17,500 happens to be an intermittent level. And major support is 17,000. So based on the put OI, looking at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the major resistance is around 40,500 and 41,000. Supports being 39,750 and 39,500. So we are seeing somewhat of longs, but not substantial ones coming into Bank Nifty. Looking at the OI picture, again, we are seeing 42,000 unwinding in 42,000 call. But then I think 4,500 and 41,000 is something which are levels to keep a watch on the higher side. Supports being 39,500 and 39,000 as per the OI picture. Looking at the top gainers and losers, you are seeing banks all over the place. Canara Bank, Bank Baroda, CUB, that's City Union Bank, all gainers. Oberoi Realty, Navin Flooring, and Vedanta are the losers. Looking at the index contribution, private banks contributed handsomely 42.31 points. And then oil contributed 24 points on the positive territory. IT contributing 12.5 points. Metals and cap goods were on a negative bench. Looking at the build-ups, auto ancillary, cap goods, cement, infra, looks like long built up there. Bank Nifty stocks also long built up. Media and metals on the short side. As it's a result calendar, we will keep a watch. Polycap, Datacom, ICICI GI, that's General Insurance Lombard, and LTTS is supposed to be announcing results. Looking at the stocks, so we have Glenmark. Major support zone is 3377 and resistance being 400 and 420 on the higher side. Supports being 363 and 377 as pointed out on the chart. So there is a long build up there. So that's Glenmark Pharma. Looking at the OI picture from options front, we are seeing a massive build up at close to 400 and then 420 is the next major level or hurdle, you can say. On the lower side, 380, 360 levels are the ones to keep a watch on. The other stock which we have is Whirlpool. So Whirlpool is kind of on a breakdown There could be pressure on this counter further. So 1530 is the support zone thereabouts. And then the next major level is around close to 1500 and then 1480. Resistance being 1600 and 1685. So we are seeing a series of shorts in Whirlpool. Looking at the OI picture, of course, this is a sparse OI for as there is limited trading in options. We are seeing 1700 is the resistance point, which the OI picture shows, and then you have close to 1500 as the support zone for the counter. Looking at the securities in the ban list, India Cement, Delta Corp, India Bull Housing Finance. Before we wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please follow advice from your financial advisor. Please consult them, and also follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives, because that's important. As discipline is extremely important as far as trading is concerned. So 16,800, 16,500 are the two supports. 17,500, 17,800 are the resistance points. 39,750, 39,500 for Bank Nifty is the supports. 40,500, 41,000 are the resistance points. Sectoral long built up, auto ancillary, cement, cap goods. Media metals on the short side, short built up. So we have Glenmark on the long side. Of course, 400 happens to be a stiff resistance point. And Whirlpool is something which can be considered on a breakdown. Some amount of sell pressure could emanate there. So ban list, Delta Corp, India Bull Housing Finance, and India Cement. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.